So we're gonna open up some packs. We're just here at some McDonald's in some unknown location.
First up is Battles of Legend Crystal Revenge.
Which I don't even know why we got this in the first place. You
This is
just
the
kind of
last
convinced me.
one.
I mean, I wanted to build Chico in tech.
Evil Twin Lila. Dimension Dice. Blackwing.
Here you go.
Thanks. Wild Survivors is up next.
Since you made a Blackwing
Oh yeah, I know I did.
review,
Vanquish Soul Calamity Caesar. Fire Formation 10 key. Xeno Meteorus.
let's fucking go! I love me some dinosaurs.
Incantation Pensiplum. Deck Devastation Virus. Iconic. Chef's Special Recipe. Miscellaneousaurus.
Nice, nice.
Next up is Maze of Memories. Photon Orbital. Super Soldier Ritual. Psy Beast. Labyrinth Wall. Shadow Ghoul of the Labyrinth. Sangha of the Thunder. And Mekk-Knight Blue Sky.
Damn. I was kind of hoping for more of that fusion monsters.
Or that field spell.
Or that field spell. Which field spell?
Duel Academy.
Oh, that's right. Yep. Yep.
Next is Legendary Duelist, Duels from the Deep.
I think I'm the only, like, one of the few people that actually enjoyed this.
He paid
Considering
them
it's so...
to keep making them. Marincess
so
Circulation.
cheap.
Axis Remora. Mega Fortress Wave.
Nice.
That's nice. Marincess Wave. And lastly, Cyberstorm Access.
That's... That is the best pack.
That is the last pack. Firewall Phantom.
Nice.
Sakitama.
Nice.
Super Heavy Samurai Solgaya Booster.
Nice.
Pearly Sleepy Memory. Kitty Tail Mystical Beast of the Forest. Super Heavy Samurai Motorbike. Brightest Blazing Branded King. Dream Tower of Princess Nemlaria. And Fusion Duplication.
Neat.
That's the last pack.
Alright, so what do you think? I think they were pretty...
They were alright.
They were okay.
They could have been better, honestly.
Could have been better.
Well,
But the dinosaur in the well, though.
Dinosaur
very
and the Whale
exciting.
were peak.
Very
But-
exciting for me.
That's all. Thank you.